Here's a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This Wrangler is the right balance of style and purpose, and with 4 doors, it's easy for everyone to join in on the fun. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, leather steering wheel, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, auxiliary audio input, Targa sunroof, power windows, and V6 engine. Road and Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.